Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, let's suppose here we have this figure. So this is the square and this is the diagonal in the square. So the length of the diagonal is 6 centimeters and there is another square inside this square. So we have to find out the area of this small square. Now, first of all, we are taking the right angle triangle. So this is the right angle triangle from this square. Now this is 6 centimeter and the angle is 45 degree and this side is unknown, so x and x here as well. Now first of all, finding out the two sides of this square. So we know that sine theta is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. So perpendicular we know that is x divided by the hypotenuse, that is 6 centimeters. So sine 45 degree. So 45 sine is 0.707 multiplied by 6 equal to x. So the value of x will be 4.242. But this is for the side of the complete square, big square. But we want the side of the small square. So we can say that 4.242 divided by 2, because it is half of that. So that will be 2.121. So this is the length of the small square. So we are denoting it with x1. So x1 equal to 2.121. So 2.121 multiplied by 2.121 for finding out the area of the small square. So that will be 4.498 centimeter square. So this is the area of the small square. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.